Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a top-tier upgrade for outdoor audio, the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker 2nd generation in black. Built for everything from backyard hangouts to rugged trail adventures, this compact speaker combines Bose's signature audio performance with expanded smart features and serious weather protection. The centerpiece of the SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen is Bose's PositionIQ technology. Whether you lay it flat on a picnic table, stand it upright on a desk, or hang it from your backpack using the durable utility loop, the speaker automatically adjusts its internal EQ to deliver balanced sound with surprisingly deep bass. For wireless performance, it steps up to Bluetooth 5.3 with multipoint connectivity, allowing you to stay connected to 2 devices simultaneously. It also features Snapdragon Sound support with aptX codec capability on compatible Android devices for higher fidelity audio streaming. Audio customization is now fully unlocked via the Bose app, giving you a custom 3-band equalizer to fine-tune bass, mids, and trebles, plus a programmable shortcut button on the control panel. Durability remains best in class. With an IP67 Waterproof and Dustproof rating, it repels sand, dirt, and heavy rain, and it even floats in water if dropped off a paddleboard or boat deck. The silicone-wrapped steel body is also drop, shock, and rust-resistant. Battery performance delivers up to 12 hours of playback on a single charge via USB-C, and built-in Simple Sync lets you pair it with other compatible Bose speakers for multi-room audio or true stereo playback. If you are looking for a compact, ultra-durable outdoor speaker with room-filling sound and updated Bluetooth features, the 2nd Gen Bose SoundLink Flex is a stellar choice. If you found this overview helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more audio tech breakdowns, and check out the affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.